everyone. My name is Ray Preston. I'm the VP of Sales and Advisory here at Flippa.com, and I am delighted to spend a couple of minutes with you all and take you through Flippa's new insights. It's a fantastic, fantastic way to get a view on current multiples, buyer intent, and gives you access so you can make better data driven decisions. Really excited to share this with you. You can find our insights directly on the Flippa homepage, flippa.com, or go directly to flippa.com/insights. I'm just going to take you through what we're able to share. We've got a tremendous amount of information spanning hundreds of thousands of deals across 15 years of being in business. And first and foremost, you can schedule a call with any of our brokers, in-house brokers. We're located in 4 continents with an office in Austin, Texas. We're in the Netherlands, we're in Australia, we're in Singapore, and we've got a fantastic in-house broker team helping to match high-quality business owners with acquisition fit buyers. You can schedule a call directly with our brokerage team through here. But let's get into the fun stuff. This is all accessible again through our current live data, which you can see on our website right here. So right away, we have search intent. You can actually see keywords that users are searching for over different time frames. There's well over 1 million searches a month on Flippa, and so there's incredible buyer demand, absolutely incredible buyer demand. So we can look at over the last 7 days. Shopify has had well over 1,700 searches, followed by blog, AdSense, Amazon, YouTube. And what's really cool about our insights is you can look at it over a certain period of time, okay? So we can look at the last 30 days and see what it looks like. Pretty similar, although in the last 30 days, there's been some affiliate and travel searches happening. Last 3 months, you can see Shopify is kind of leading the way with SaaS kind of bringing up the top 5 and 6. It's really cool because you can actually download this data. You can share it socially. If you want to write a blog post or anything to that effect, you're able to share it right there and get an embedded code. It's really, really a fantastic way to look at how search is happening on the Flippa platform. Let's move along and actually look at trending search terms. So similarly, we can affect what we're looking at from a data set. So we can look at the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or the last 3 months here. In the last 7 days, I guess vegan or vegan businesses is popping up in search, up 170% over the last 7 days. If we switch that and look at the last 30 days, you can see gaming, you can see pet, and .de increasing with search. You can kind of see what our buying pool is looking at short term and longer term out, which is really cool. And again, you can download and share. This is where people get really excited. You can actually see live data on profit and revenue multiples, and you can do that by various verticals. So we can obviously look at e-com, Amazon, app, content, SaaS, service, and all categories at once. And you can look at things from a profit multiple perspective or a revenue multiple perspective. And so let's have a look at SaaS as an example, and let's see what profit multiples are looking like on an average and on a top quartile basis, right? So profit multiples in the second half of 2021 for SaaS businesses, the average was 1.46. But the top quartile was 1.75. But you'll see this as we've gone up over the years here. We're seeing this increase substantially up to 3.69 or 10.5. It's a really fantastic way to look at what's actually happening in the market right now as we speak. We can look at e-com businesses similarly and kind of see where things were and where things are at. On the left-hand column is the average. On the right-hand column is the best of the best businesses. We call that the top quartile, and where we're seeing businesses still sell out. So the second half of 2023, we're seeing those businesses the top businesses 3.5x multiple range, which is really cool to see. You can also see the power of the buying community here at Flippa. We have 340,000 live active buyers. These are the folks that are searching for businesses on the Flippa platform. They're located globally, over 179 countries, and a buyer wallet of over $60 billion. And this is a really, really cool tool right here, because you can actually play with the globe and see where our buying community is. So you can see when I hover over the United States, there's 137,000 active buyers with an average budget of $240,000 and an overall budget of $33 billion. It's really, really impressive to understand the cross-border deal flow that happens. And this is a great way to see where deals are getting done and where our buying community is located. Something to note in how we're able to still get deals done at high value and high quantity across the board is over 62% of our deals are done cross-border on Flippa. So that might be a US-based business list on the Flippa platform and sells to somebody out of France or Portugal. It's a massive global community, and 62% of the deals getting done on Flippa are cross-border. And it makes having our brokerage team, which is located across 4 different continents, an incredible tool and an incredible resource to help you get a deal done, whether you're on the buy side or the sell side, because we have relationships with folks cross-border. So something really cool to look at, and something you should always be kind of understanding where the buying pool is. What I always like to look at is how long it actually takes to match. So this is really cool. We're looking right now at $1 million plus deals, so our 7-figure deals. And our platform has incredible AI-powered buyer recommendations that happen instantaneously on the platform. And it's so good that for $1 million plus deals, we find our buyer in a median of 27 days. Now, that doesn't mean that the deal gets done in 27 days. It most certainly doesn't. But it means that we're able to match with the right buyer who's going to buy that business in 27 days. And then looking at the time to sell for a 7-figure deal, the median is roughly 81 days. So we find the buyer in 27, we get the deal done in 81 days. And it's a network effect. It's the power of our platform doing a heavy lift, incredibly powerful at matching, and then leveraging the power of our incredible and talented in-house brokerage team to help get those deals across the finish line, to do the heavy lift, to vet and verify those buyers. It's a really, really fantastic platform paired with the brokerage team to get deals done. And then, I just really wanted to take some time here to let you guys understand how our Insights tool works, introduce you a bit to our brokerage team who's got years and years and years of getting deals done. And we're excited to share our Insights live and up to the date daily. So please check us out, flippa.com/insights. Appreciate your time. Cheers.